Cochrane window replacements can beautify your home, improve your energy efficiency, and increase security. But they can also be expensive. This might lead to the question, how do I budget for my window replacements? We're the window replacement specialists in the Alberta area. We want you to have the windows of your dreams without worrying about the cost. So we've put together some tips to help you budget for your new windows. Several factors determine the cost of your new windows. The style, materials, installation, complexity, and hardware all impact the price. The first step to budgeting for your new windows is researching prices. Labor costs differ by contractor, but you can find the average cost of materials. This is a good time to make a pros and cons list of each material, helping you decide which one fits your needs. The final step is creating the actual budget. You'll want to consider the financial savings associated with each material, prioritize your needs, and create a detailed budget. Deciding how much you're willing to spend and how much each material will cost will tell you what you can afford or how much you need to save. At GreenFox Windows Doors, we'll help you find the best windows for your house. We provide various types of windows, ensuring you get the best fit for your home. If you want beautiful window replacements for your Cochrane home, GreenFox Windows Doors is the answer. Call us today to get started.